every person, I think you will also look up to someone.
Yeah.
Who did you look up to, and what did you learn? Like, everyone learns something from that person. What did you learn?
For me, I think, Cristiano Ronaldo is someone that I think every footballer should sort of look up to, even though he's not in my position. Just his mentality and just his work ethic is something that all of us should be motivated by. And also, for me, I'm a big Liverpool fan, and Jordan Henderson is the captain now. He's another idol of mine because when he came early on, he had a lot of criticism. He wasn't playing as well. There's times where I think even the club were willing to sell him, but he told them that I want to fight for my spot. And now, 5 years on, he's the club captain and won Champions League and Premier League, and he's another idol of mine that just shows that not to
Never give up, no surrender.
Never give up, and believe in yourself, really.